So I guess it was always going to happen at some point. In my hometown of Chester, someone just shouted at me, "Hey, Mr. Fox." Now I understand where they got Fox from, because the fantastic Mr. Shot and the fantastic Mr. Fox. I get it, but I'm not a fox. It's Shot. Shot. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at Hickory's in Chester, and the reason we're back here is because about 2 months ago I did a video on the breakfast muffin, and at that point I noticed there was a breakfast on the menu for £20, an American breakfast. £20 for a breakfast. We've got to go and check that out surely, see if it's worth the money. Let's go. So we're inside, fantastic. I've got copyright music again. Well, I don't think it's too loud here. There is a speaker there actually, so I might see if I can move somewhere. Okay, so restaurant update. I've asked to be moved outside because the music was really loud in there, and I would have spent the whole time just trying to cancel out the sound in the background. So hopefully the music seems a lot quieter here, so we should be all right. Anyway, back to what we're ordering. We're ordering the Great American Breakfast. So that's £20. So it says it's the best bits of a full English, but double of everything, and a whole waffle for the taste of America. Let's find out. Also, we're going to go mad. So we're going to order one of these freak shakes. Presume that they serve the freak shakes at this time, hopefully. But they do a cookie monster. So it's £9. £9 for a milkshake and £20 for an English breakfast, or an American breakfast. So you're looking at £29 in total. So it's not a cheap breakfast, this. But let's see what you get for your money. We've done loads of cheap breakfasts, haven't I? We've done Greg's, we've done Mackey's, we've done everywhere really that there's a cheap breakfast. So this is like the higher end. But look at this. It's a beautiful setting. We're outside. We're near Chester River. It's not quite sunny, but it's not cold. I'll come back to you shortly. I've just been busted. My wife's realised I'm at Hickory's about her. She's just sent me a text. I'm going to be in trouble for this. She loves Hickory's. I may need to stay out as long as possible. Anyway, we've ordered the milkshake and we've got our popcorn here, which is fantastic.
Is it okay?
How you doing, you okay?
I'm good, sorry to interrupt.
So I've just been questioned by the manager as to what my YouTube channel was. He's going to be very disappointed when he checks it out and sees I've only got like 500 followers. But never mind. Anyway, popcorn's amazing. It's getting a bit windy now. Hopefully the food won't blow away when it arrives. Okay, so the freak shake is here, the cookie one. Let's show it you. I'm not going to be able to fit in the breakfast after this, but let's get stuck into it. It's like, so we've got this cookie here. Cookie's amazing, really, really nice. I have to take the cookie out and try and eat this because it's just in the way. You won't be able to see me from behind the cookie. Okay, let's give the actual milkshake a try. Oh my word, that is amazing. It's got to be amazing. It's £9, but bloody hell, it is nice. That's absolutely lovely. I don't know what this stuff is on the side. Can you see around the edge? If you were going to design a milkshake that costs £9, the cookie's amazing. It's a monster as well, isn't it? Absolute monster. I feel like I've been eating for 6 years. Still got this much left of the cookie. That's madness. How the hell am I going to fit in full American breakfast after this cookie? I normally don't even eat breakfast. It's ridiculous that I've got a YouTube channel where we look at breakfast, because I generally don't eat breakfast. That's how mad this whole situation is. Anyway, let's keep going, and hopefully you can order breakfast soon. See you shortly. So I finished the cookie, as you saw, but now it's got these little cookies in there as well. How cute are these? I have no idea what these things are. Oh, hello, nice. Sorry. Can you get the American breakfast, please?
It's absolutely massive, is that okay?
I know, I'm just eating that cookie. And I'm panicking now because I'm full off that cookie. I'll probably just try a little bit of everything. I probably won't eat it all.
Yeah, no worries.
We'll see how we get on. Thank you. We all know I'm lying. We all know I'm probably going to eat it all. So just a quick channel update while I'm waiting for the breakfast to arrive. We're now at like 515 subscribers, which is mad. Literally 2 months ago we had like 20. Thank you so much. And I also want to say thank you to the people who consistently comment on the videos. So we've got Mel. Thanks, Mel. We've got Joe. Joe's always there chatting away. Thanks, Joe. Deadman who kicks off every time I don't wear a cardigan. Wouldn't be the same about you. UK Medic. There's so many of you. I can't even begin to name you all. But if you're consistently coming to the channel and commenting, thank you so much, because you make it feel like I'm not shouting into the void, and it means a lot, and it keeps me doing this. So thank you so much. And if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, join in. Come on, let's get you on board. What's not to love? It's me eating. It's not weird at all. Oh, and also a special shout out to Averagely Bad, who's got his own Discord channel. He literally played loads of my videos back to back to his subscribers the other day. That's so nice of you. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, I'm getting near the end of the milkshake now. So thoughts on the milkshake, it's very, very sweet, but it's very, very nice. It's chocolatey, very chocolatey. And you can definitely taste that cookiness to it as well. Yeah, it's really, really nice. Is it £9 nice? So, if you saw my video the other day when we went to Noops and we talked about the hot chocolate being absolutely lovely, but you couldn't get one every day, it's got to be a special occasion. We're back here again. exactly the same thought. It is lovely, but it's £9, so you expect it to be lovely. So as a treat, get one. I would not give this to your kids though, they'll be hyper for years afterwards. If I gave this to my daughter, she'd be climbing up the walls for about 4 hours afterwards. Like I'm going to be probably. I'll give you a shout when the food gets here. So admittedly, it looks the part, doesn't it? So let's just go through and see what we've got here. So we've got these, which are waffles. Then we've got 2 eggs, and the eggs look amazing. I'm not going to hold up the eggs so you know what eggs look like. But then we've got this underneath it, which I presume is a sausage pate. We've got 2 of these. Then we've got these. Do you remember we had these last time? The hash brown bites. Then we've got bacon. Loads of bacon. Got tomatoes. Not a massive tomato fan, to be honest with you. Love tomato sauce, but not so much tomatoes, so they're going to be staying there. And we've got these massive mushrooms, and we've got 2 of those. So, okay. Let's see how we get on. Everything looks like it's been cooked to perfection, if I'm being honest, so you know I'm going to put tomato sauce over everything. Probably not the waffle, though. I'm very excited about those sausage pate things. They look amazing. So first of all, let's try the waffle, because this is the weird bit, isn't it? This is what Americans are a bit crazy for doing. So the waffle's really tasty. So I thought this was going to taste sweet, but it doesn't taste savoury. So let's try dipping this in some of the stuff we've got, like the egg. The waffles, again, top marks for me. They're lovely. I'm still not quite sure what you do with them. You just dip them in stuff and eat them. Next, we've got these hash brown things. We've tried these before. Let's give them another go. That's really, really nice. Now, we're going to go a bit mad now. Keep up. So we've got a bit of the sausage pate, with a bit of the bacon, with a bit of the egg. Doesn't look very attractive, but let's see how we get on. Okay, we may have hit breakfast peak. That was amazing. Maybe the Americans are doing it right. Everything tastes like it's been cooked fresh as well. You can't fault the cooking on it. Cooking is out of this world. So, let's try a bit of the waffle with some of the streaky bacon, because I think that's how Americans have it. It does work. If you're American watching this, is this what an American breakfast should look like? Is this what you guys have on it? Let me know in the comments below. So much food here, it's ridiculous. This is normally what I eat in like a day and a half, probably 2 days. But these sausage pates are lovely. I wonder why Americans have flat sausages. Who woke up one day and thought, bored of those sausages being long, let's make them flat. But it is tasty. So just to go over everything that we've tried, the sausage pate is amazing. Mushrooms are super tasty. I know some people don't like mushrooms, but love them. Eggs done perfectly. Streaky bacon. Normally bacon's a bit crap in these places, but that bacon's amazing. The waffle, stunning, and the hash brown bites are absolutely lovely. The only thing I haven't tried, and I'm not going to try, is a tomato, because I'm just not a big fan of tomato, but you can tell it's been cooked well, hasn't it, on the griddle? So I imagine it's nice if you like that kind of thing. I'm going to shut up now and see how much of this I can eat. It's turned into a bit of a breakfast challenge, this one. You know what I've just spotted? Because I had a mouthful of bacon, which I didn't spot before. The bacon's got like a really nice maple taste to it. Really, really tasty. So, Americans, you're definitely doing bacon right. I keep angling this knife at you guys like I'm about to kill you. Bit weird. I'm trying to edit that out. There's a famous food guy on YouTube. I was watching him last night because he's just quit his channel, unfortunately. You've probably heard of him, Rate My Takeaway? He was saying that he's fallen out with his editor and his cameraman, who he does the videos with. I was thinking, bloody hell, how amazing is that? Literally all he has to do is turn up and talk bollocks. I can do that. There's all the other stuff that catches me out, like pressing record and trying to put the video together afterwards. Wouldn't that be nice? He has got like 1,000 times more followers than me, so you know, you'd expect that to be the case. Probably more than 1,000 actually. We'll get there. We'll keep going, see what happens. By which time I'll probably be 20 stone. Oh, thank you very much.
Okay.
Oh, that's lovely, thank you. Lady just brought me out some thing for the waffle. It's maple syrup. Okay, so let's try the waffle with the maple syrup, because I've just been dunking it in loads of egg and beans, which I hope that's what you're going to do. You might be watching me inside thinking, what's that idiot doing? The waffles, quick, give him some maple syrup. Probably. Okay, let's try it with the, I feel a bit embarrassed now. Let's try it with the syrup. Is it syrup? No, whatever it is, the Canadian syrup. Oh, I can't even remember what it's called now. Let's try it anyway. It is nice. That syrup is lovely. I presume it's syrup. I'm calling it, I'm done. So just in case you're curious as to how much I managed, here we go. I think that's a valiant effort. I don't think you guys can judge me for that. I think we did all right there. I honestly feel like I'm about to die. Right, we'll finish up here, then we'll give you my final thoughts outside. So there we have it. That was Hickory's all-American breakfast, £20. And the freak shake, I think it's called, the cookie one, for £9. So, final thoughts. The food was lovely. It was cooked to perfection, it really was. The eggs were amazing. The bacon was tasty. The waffles, which I thought would be a bit weird, were fine. Actually really, really tasty. Those sausage pates, they were absolutely lovely. The hash brown bites, perfect as usual. Beans, tasty. There's nothing not to love, apart from the price. So is it worth 20 quid? So, I think there's definitely like a lot of food there. Definitely. Is it 20 quid's worth of food? Oh, I don't know. You're not going there paying for the food though, are you? You're paying for the experience. The experience of eating an American breakfast in the middle of Chester. So in that respect, yeah, it's worth it for a treat. Be aware though, you're not going to be able to eat all of it. They should have that as a food challenge. As for the milkshake, £9 for a milkshake, again, it's got to be good, hasn't it? And it was. I mean, I think that cookie was probably worth about 4 quid itself. It was massive. I felt like I was eating that for about 10 years. So was the milkshake worth £9? I don't think it was worth £9, to be honest with you. I think probably 6 or 7 quid maybe. I'd pay for that. I think £9 is probably a bit of a stretch. But for the whole experience of £30, it was nice. So all in all, really enjoyed it. It was a nice treat, but it is that, it's a treat. So again, similar to Newt's video, if you're a millionaire, go, it's perfect. If you've got loads of disposable income, go, it's lovely. If it's your birthday, go splash out, it's amazing. If you're a chubby middle-aged YouTuber who just wants to make videos, go, perfect. But everyone else should treat it as a treat. To treat it as a treat, I didn't think that sentence out, did I? Okay, so all in all, Hickory's does get a thumbs up for the food, not so much for the price. But in terms of customer service and staff, they've got it perfect. Everyone in there's lovely. So to summarise, food amazing, staff amazing, environment near the river, absolutely lovely. Price, oh, it's like anything these days, you pay through the nose, don't you? Right, that's me. If you're new to the channel and you like what you've seen, please give us a like and give us a subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you're not new to the channel and you're just following me and supporting, thank you so much. Right, I'm gonna go, I need to lie down after all that food. See you guys in the next video.